All right, day two. This is the 30-minute channel from yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the color here. Ooh, that's a good color. So that's yesterday. And I'm going to, oh,
Order filled.
that's the trade I was waiting for. Now did the, why is it doing this? I was actually waiting for that break. Oh, I get tagged out here. Let's see. All right, 30 minutes. It's 9:30. Mark off the high. So I want this just under that. Expensive trade because my entry is pretty poor. And I need to change this.
Order filled.
Okay, stopped out there. Breaking the 30-minute low. Maybe not. Got a load of chop. I'm willing to look for another trade. We're in yesterday's 30-minute range, which is not that great. Do have a little bit of a head and shoulders right here. So I'm just going to be a little patient. I'd like to either get a long off today's 30-minute low, somewhere down here, or long, and ideally above the 30-minute, if that were to happen. It's looking weak right now. Let's see on the 5-minute. Yeah, we're just chopping around. So I took sort of a snap long, which ended up being the upper end of this wick right here, because I thought we could go, and I didn't. I wanted to be positioned for that breakout, and it didn't end up happening. So we're in the lower part of today's 30-minute range, and almost smack dab in the middle of yesterday's 30-minute range. There's really nothing to do here but wait. I want to see what the other time frames look like. This is chop. This is chop. I don't know, we're sort of stacking high. Well, this is leveling off a little bit. We've been stacking some higher lows, but haven't taken out this high yet. So maybe it's rolling. All right, I'm getting ready to take another shot here.
Order filled.
All right, I'm long for the break to the 30-minute high. Get a stop loss in. I would expect this to act as support on a very small time frame. If it does, I'll add one. Very nice. Okay, that was pretty quick. Let's see if we can get the break here. Yes, very
Order
nice.
filled.
I have 2 contracts. So I need to run 2 stops here. And I'm willing to close out the position. All right, this looks very good. Just creeping my stops up. I just want to give this a little bit of room. In case something like that happens where it may hold it as support but wick through. So I don't want to bring my stops right up there just yet. I'd like to see this is a 5-minute. I'd like to see this close above. There's a lot going on in the chart. Might get stopped here. Yeah, it failed to close above the 30-minute range. Yeah, it's not good. Doesn't really know what it wants to do. That break hurt the short time frame buyers, not getting that close above or at to hold it as support. So now bull's got to do some work.
Order filled.
Uh,
Order filled.
all right. Down 645.90 on the day. Total account is down 183. All right, I'm going to call it here. So I think we might just be in for a range-bound day. To recap, I took kind of a snap long. I thought the 30-minute high could break. We had a lot of momentum shortly after 10 o'clock. That failed, stopped out. And then right around the 30-minute low, I longed again, looking for a break of the 30-minute high. It had a look above and fail. So it looked above, I thought it had a little bit more. In hindsight, I should have taken one off here. My trade was for a break and then hold, break and retest, and then run. So no matter what, this was not my trade plan. So this was going to be a loss. However, I could have scaled out of one contract. And what that would have done is that would have just reduced the loss on the day.